Welcome viewers. Previous President Donald Trump winds up at the focal point of a fight over gag orders, reviling them as a determined move to smother his 2024 official mission. The Division of Equity, DOJ, has as of late presented a court documenting encouraging the re-establishment of a gag request against Trump, referring to dangers and provocation with regards to the $250 million common misrepresentation preliminary in New York. As we proceed with this video, please take out a minute of your precious time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates from us. The legitimate back and forth brings up basic issues about the crossing point of lawful limitations, security concerns, and political articulation. As per a report by Newsweek on Friday, November 24, 2023, the DOJ's recording, submitted on Thanksgiving, focuses to a particular segment wherein a representative of the New York State brought together court framework subtleties, the disturbing, many undermining and hassling voice messages. These messages were aimed at Judge Arthur Engoron, regulating the common preliminary, and his regulation assistant Allison Greenfield. The dangers have turned into a point of convergence in the continuous discussion about whether a gag request ought to be forced on Trump during the procedures. The requests court in Washington, D.C., is thinking on the extent of a gag request forced by Judge Tanya Chutkan in a government political race case. This request disallows Trump from going after examiners, including unique guidance Jack Smith, or expected observers in front of the booked government preliminary in 2024. Trump and his legitimate group battle that such a gag request encroaches on his most memorable correction privileges, inciting an established discussion inside the official procedures. The essence of the matter lies in the public authority's contention that the undermining messages, translated more than 275 pages, require the re-establishment of the gag request to defend the prosperity of court staff. Charles Holland, working in the Public Wellbeing Division's Legal Dangers Appraisal Unit, stressed the continuous security risk presented by the blast of undermining messages. Holland battles that the execution of restricted gag orders brought about a lessening in dangers and, when disregarded by Trump, prompted a flood in undermining and criticizing messages. Trump's lawful group, answering the public authority's endeavors, has reprimanded the gag request as an endeavor to abridge the previous president's capacity to impart during his 2024 official mission. The workplace made an announcement describing the gag request as unlawful and outlined it as a work to confine center political discourse. The assertion contended that no court has maintained a gag request on political discourse during a mission, depicting it as an encroachment on Trump's central right to communicate his political perspectives. As the fight in court unfurls, the nuanced exchange between security concerns, established freedoms, and the political ramifications of gag orders highlights the intricacies encompassing high-profile preliminaries, including conspicuous political figures. The result of this lawful conflict is ready to start trend on the sensitive harmony between safeguarding court procedures and protecting the standards of free discourse in the domain of political missions. What is your take on this video? Please kindly drop your comments and thanks for watching. Welcome viewers. Previous President Donald Trump winds up at the focal point of a fight over gag orders, reviling them as a determined move to smother his 2024 official mission. The Division of Equity, DOJ, has as of late presented